Strike Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Strike Wallet app has been making waves as one of the most talked about Bitcoin payment apps. Built by Jack Mallers, Strike promises lightning-fast payments, zero fees, and global accessibility. But is it really the future of digital money, or just another crypto trend? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Strike's biggest advantage is its Lightning Network integration. This allows users to send and receive Bitcoin instantly, with almost no transaction fees. It's a game changer for remittances and cross-border payments, especially for users who want to avoid traditional bank delays and high transfer costs. Another major plus is Strike's user experience. The app is designed to look and feel like a traditional payment app, making it easy even for beginners. You can buy Bitcoin, send it to friends, or even pay merchants directly, all from your phone. Strike also stands out for its focus on real-world use, not speculation. You can instantly convert Bitcoin to dollars, meaning you don't have to worry about price volatility when paying or receiving money. That alone sets it apart from most crypto wallets. But now for the cons. Strike's biggest limitation is its geographical availability. As of now, it's mainly available in the US and a few other countries. Global access is still expanding, but it's not universal yet. Another concern is that Strike operates as a custodial wallet, meaning it holds your funds on your behalf. That makes it simple to use, but less secure than fully decentralized wallets where you control your private keys. In summary, the Strike Wallet app is fast, innovative, and practical, a big step toward everyday Bitcoin adoption. The surprising truth? Strike may not replace your bank just yet, but it's paving the way for a financial future that's open, instant, and borderless.